my beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, in this video I will sharing with you all, an amazing Multani Mitti face pack which is also known as Fuller's Earth, which gives you a fair, tight, young and glowing skin. A Multani Mitti, also known as Fuller's Earth, face pack is a popular natural remedy for achieving fair, glowing, tight, and youthful looking skin. Multani Mitti is a clay that has been used for centuries in skincare routines due to its various benefits for the skin. Here's how you can create a Multani Mitti face pack and use it for better skin. I hope you will find useful remedies for here. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel. Let's prepare the remedy. For preparation of this face pack we need potato. Here we take boiled potato. Potato is rich in antioxidants that reduce the appearance of tan, dark spots, and scars while promoting even skin tone, softness, and glow. Cut the potato in small pieces and put it into a blender. Potato has a high iron content which promotes a healthy and radiant complexion. Potato contains azelaic acid which acts as a natural skin brightening agent. Next we add fresh aloe vera gel from the plant. Here we take gel of 1 aloe vera leaf. Aloe vera is a rich source of antioxidants and contains vitamins A, B, C and A, along with 7 amino acids that keeping our skin healthy and radiant. Scoop out gel from the leaf and add it into blender. Grind both the ingredients to make a paste. We transfer this paste in a clean bowl. We got a nice creamy paste. In another clean bowl we take 2 spoons of this paste. Add Multani Mitti, Fuller's Earth, in this paste. Mix all the ingredients well together. Adjust the consistency of this remedy you want, until we get face pack remedy. Cleanse your face. Start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt and makeup. Pat it dry with a clean towel. Apply the face pack. Using your fingers or a brush, apply the pack evenly to your face and neck. Avoid the area around your eyes and mouth. Relax and let it dry. Allow the face pack to dry naturally, which may take about 15 to 20 minutes. As it dries, you will feel a tightening sensation on your skin, which is normal. Rinse off. Once the face pack is completely dry, gently rinse it off with lukewarm water. Use your fingertips to massage the mask off in circular motions, which can help exfoliate the skin as well. Make sure to remove all traces of the mask. Moisturize. After rinsing, pat your skin dry with a clean towel and apply a suitable serum or a favorite moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. It's important to perform a patch test before using any new skincare product or ingredient to ensure you don't have an adverse reaction, especially if you have sensitive skin. Multani Mitti can be drying for some skin types, so it's advisable to use this face pack no more than once or twice a week or as needed. Always use sunscreen when going out during the day to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Remember that while Multani Mitti can help improve the appearance of your skin, achieving fairer or lighter skin is a complex issue and varies from person to person. Skin health and radiance are influenced by many factors, including genetics, diet, lifestyle, and overall skincare routine. I hope you will find useful remedies for here. Thanks very much. Share your valuable experience with us in comment section. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel for more herbal and natural remedies.